Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Kotis, and this will be my Sas Viya 6 presentation, and the instructions start on 336 and go to 394, and so we can go and begin here with creating data items and applying filters. And so you can see the business scenario presentation, or the diagram, and the creating data items. And then there are some definitions here: custom category, duplicate, calculated item, geography, and aggregated measure. And then there's hierarchy, distinct count, parameter, derived item. And finally, these are just all the other things that are in the slides. And then these are some examples of calculated item examples. Aggregated measure, and then there's an activity, and then we can begin with the SAS, clicking through it. And so first, we want to go to the applications menu, explore and visualize, and we want to click all reports. So my computer is loading slow here. Alrighty. No, we don't want to do that. So we want to go all reports. And we want to go to courses. And then this one. Then we're looking for VA1 Demo 3. .1. So it should be this one. Alright, it's opening the report. So we want to go to page 3. And want to click on data, not this one. Now we want to go to number of orders. Let's see here. Number of orders. Oh, here it is. There we go. So we want to change we want to right click it, and then let's see here. We'll skip this and come back to it later. Before I get started on this, I'll go ahead and end the video so it doesn't become too long to upload to YouTube. Hopefully I will get through this pretty quickly, and we can go through some of these things in class. Thank you.